down here in Wakefield, Mass, but surprisingly enough on turbo power, I can key up and hear the Boston DMR repeater. AA1PR on local. You know, in Vermont, you can't do this. I'm 6 miles away, line of sight to Pico, the W1IMD repeater, and I can't key it up and make it, but I can make all the talk groups here on this repeater. Isn't that amazing? Hopefully they get the Pico repeater working or fixed. Okay, talked to a few people. KA1RVR, N1DZR, and WD1AJM. My friend Adam, I sent him a text to get on New England Wide and talk to him. So yeah, this repeater down here works phenomenal. Clear as a bell. Everybody's got great audio. You know, I don't think I've heard such good audio in DMR. Anyways, just can't wait to see the W1IMD Pico DMR repeater be fixed and repaired and working the same as these. Anytone AT878, excuse my big fat hand in the way. Made some changes. Here's my startup image. There we go. Got it set to go to my paranormal talk group, which is linked on my All-Star Node 14755 in Rutland. And VFOB is set now to Pico. I did have it set to APRS, but I don't use this radio for APRS anymore. I just use it for, I don't know. Haven't used it months on end, except for yesterday and a few months ago when I went to Manchester with my friend Sarah. So, beautiful radio. I just don't use it. I have too many radios.